This is the Ufree foil shaver and grooming kit we picked up. Our 18-year-old has the same exact one and really liked it, so we decided to get another for our 13-year-old as his first shaver. Here's the razor out of the box. It comes with this cap that snaps on and off, which is nice for travel or tossing it in a drawer. You can see the foil head here up close. On the side, you'll see the power button along with the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the levels. They are easy to reach with your thumb. We'll turn it on here so you can hear it and see the display light up. It charges with the included cord, but basically a USB-C charger. The kit also comes with the trimmer, which is nice for cleaning up my 3 boys' sideburns and the back of their necks in between haircuts. As a parent, I like that it's simple enough for a first shaver, but still feels like a real grooming kit, not a toy. Both of my boys picked it up quickly and figured out how to use the buttons and switch attachments without any trouble. If you are shopping for a teen's first shaver or a basic everyday razor, this gives you an idea of what comes in the box, how it looks in the hand, and how it works when it's turned on.